Rameh teaches the IELTS introduction programme. Lots of her students are very highly qualified in their own countries, and the only thing that's stopping them completing their education is their English language level isn't good enough. So by doing this IELTS programme, that will enable them then eventually to apply to Cardiff Met and complete their degrees.
The first few weeks I try to give some lesson plans so they can be more interactive with each other, and they start talking to each other and break the ice at the beginning. They gradually get to know each other, get to know me, and it's a very relaxed, very friendly atmosphere. Sometimes some of the ladies cook something and bring it in, so they all become very good friends.
Some of them have fled very difficult circumstances, and Rameh makes them all very much at home. It's a very supportive atmosphere within the classroom, and she makes everybody welcome.
Some of them, they find it difficult to communicate and get into the community. So I try to break the ice by bring them out and give them a little bit of British culture as well. So that I incorporate that in my lessons.
She is able to empower the class by gently building their confidence each week and building their self-esteem, making them feel part of the group and part of the community.
There is a good atmosphere in the class. She's always available if you have some questions or you need help.
Last year we had quite a good few students who went to university. It's a great achievement to see them happy, and also they send me texts, or the lady who got her husband brought me presents from back home. I said, no, you don't need to do that, but it's great to see them moved on in life.
I'd like to congratulate Rameh. We're all very grateful to her, and her students especially. It's well deserved. Congratulations.
Well done, Rameh. Congratulations.
Oh, how amazing. I didn't believe it when I heard it. It's fantastic. It's really great. Thank you.